Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Achieving Alpha and welcome back to another episode of Smart Money Analysis for today, that is 14th of July 2021. And can we see the expiry tomorrow to be at 16,000? We'll try to understand that with data. And apologies, I could not really create this video because I have been really busy this week with some other work. But nevertheless, today's video is also going to be quite short. We are just going to talk about the FII and DII activity and we'll probably wrap it up from there on. So let's begin. So we'll start with the activity in the cash market, and once again, no surprise, FIIs have sold for almost 1300 crores and the DIIs have bought for similar amounts, and that is one of the reasons that you saw that there was not much of a movement in the market. So overall, this looks neutral for today, but the concern is the continuous selling of FII in the cash market. So if I have a look, so in this month, so it's almost half the month gone, and the FIIs have basically sold a net quantity of more than 6,000 crores in the cash market, and that is certainly negative and not at all positive. The DIIs have bought for almost 4,000 crores. The remaining 2,000 crores is the buying from retail, which is not at all good. So, anyways, this is what we have. Let's have a look at the derivatives data and try to understand the activity there. As usual, we'll begin with the FIIs. So the data yesterday was very interesting. So basically we saw some very good long addition plus a huge short covering in the last 2 days from FIIs, and basically whatever the shorts they built up here, they have almost covered all of those, and it was looking like the market could give a decent correction if this number stayed where it was, but the short covering came and you can see that again the net long in index futures is almost at 70.77. So today it was kind of a very sideways kind of day, and you can see that there is not much activity. So almost 3,600 lots of futures long added and almost 300 shorts added. So this is not much of an activity. So you can see that the net long is at 70.77, but still looking at this figure, the upside from FIIs is capped. Let's talk about the stock futures. So stock futures, you will see that again the longs and shorts were added almost in equivalent quantity, and you will see not much movement, and the net long position in stock futures happens to be around 49.7%. So as of now, this data is looking kind of sideways to very mildly bullish because there is some addition in futures, although not a lot. But yesterday and day before yesterday was an immense surprise to see this amount of short covering from the FIIs. Let's talk about the options data. So options data, again interesting. The number of call longs have been reduced today by almost 3,800 quantity, and the number of put longs here have increased by almost 22,000 lots. So this looks bearish, but let's also have a look at the option writing. So talking about option writing, again the number of call shorts have been reduced here, and yesterday you saw that there was a short covering in the call side as well. So a lot of the call shorts were also covered by the FIIs yesterday and today also, but today the magnitude seems to be much less compared to yesterday. Talking about the number of put shots, so there are healthy number of put shots added as well. So the data is looking kind of sideways. So if I give you a net number, so on a net on net basis, the FIIs have shorted 507 lots of calls, and they have basically bought 2300 lots of put. So the data has a bearish bias, no doubt, but the amount of bearishness is not that much. It's almost about 2800 lots favoring the bearish side. So it could be considered sideways to mild bearish. But again, tomorrow is a weekly expiry, and it could be volatile because the last 2 days have been kind of silent. So what action happens tomorrow would be interesting to watch. But as of now, we can say that the options data from FIIs is sideways to mild bearish. So let's talk about the pro desks. So pro desk, you will see that yesterday there was some very good amount of short build-up from these guys. So it was quite opposite to what the FIIs did. So there was about 16,000 long unwinding and more than 11,000 short build-up in the index futures. But they don't have a lot of activity in the index futures. So let's keep that in mind. Talking about today's action. So today again kind of a sideways action. Almost 1250 lots of longs and 803 lots of shorts added, and the net position happens to be around 45% in index futures. Talking about stock futures, so stock futures again looks like almost 3500 lots of long added and almost 2850 lots of short added. So again looks slightly bullish, but again this is not a lot of bullish and looks kind of sideways to slightly bullish, and the net position in stock futures happens to be around 75% from the pro desk. let's talk about the options activity and try to understand what they did there. So again, this is what I mentioned, that almost 3 days back they created huge number of call shots, and yesterday these guys also had to do a huge number of short covering. So a lot of the call shots were being covered yesterday from the pro desks as well, and that was the probable reason that you saw some good upside in the market in the last 2 days. Talking about today's activity, so today you will see that almost 180 lots of call longs have been added, almost 35,000 lots of puts have been added. Talking about call shots, so the call shots added are almost 9,000, and the put shots again have been added in significant quantity, that is almost 36,000. So if I were to give you a single number based on this particular data, so I can say that there are roughly about 8700 lots of calls shorted today, and almost 1100 lots of puts shorted today. So again, the data looks kind of bearish, because you see that the call shorts are more than the call longs, but the put shorts and the put longs almost happen to be equivalent. So that's what we can see here. And yes, let's finally talk about retail and wrap this particular video up. So yes, this is the data for retail. Again, index futures, you see that there are some good number of shots added from retail. So almost 175 long and more than 4200 shots added in the index futures. The net long in index futures from retail happens to be close to 50%. Talking about stock futures, so again, this is kind of sideways today. Almost 5200 longs added and 4400 shorts added. Let's talk about the options activity. So from retail, you will see that almost 42,000 calls have been added, but huge number of puts added today, more than 1 lakh. And talking about the option writing, so option writing, you will see that almost 32,000 call shots added, and almost equivalent number of put shots compared to the put longs. So again, if I were to give you a single number, so looks like almost 9200 lots of calls have been bought from retail, so that is bullish. And this number is almost equivalent, but there is roughly a difference of about 1100. So 1100 lots of put shots and 9300 lots of call bought. So looks slightly bullish from the retail. And yes, this is our analysis for today. So I hope you enjoyed this particular video. I know it's a little bit short and I missed out on other things, but it's always better to do something rather than doing nothing. So that's what I have for you today. And yes, folks who have the email data subscription, I hope this is useful to you guys. Although I try to do this analysis every single day, but as mentioned, I am running a little busy this particular week. So let's see. Although I have tried to do this today, we'll also try to do it in the upcoming days. But again, it all depends on the time availability. So thank you so much for watching till the end. Please like this video if you found this useful. And if you are new here and coming here for the first time, subscribe to this channel for more such content. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end. Have a good day. Take care and bye-bye.